The simple way to create an account with one managing user and several users that can enter this account. First, we're going to create our user that is in charge or is the managing user for our account. We're going to give him user authorization. And as you can see, it automatically creates an account for him. Now that we have created the user, once we go into user settings, we can see the account. Let's go to the account. And as you can see, he is the managing user as well as the account user. Now we want to add more users to this account. How do we do that? If we wish to add existing users into an account, all we have to do is edit account and add user that already exists. And now we can see 2 users. However, if you want to add new users to this account without them having their own accounts, you will have to go into the users, create a new user, and once you get into the user settings, you will see that it automatically creates a default account. You do not want that. So you add an account of the account that you want to add him to, add it, and then delete the default one that was made. Then continue. Once the user is created, you can see the only account under this user is the river one that we created in the beginning. And here you see him under the account users. If you have any further questions, please contact us at support@novisign.com.